Hey traders, gold, go boom, gold go boom, gold go boom, gold go boom. Right? Actually, a lot of things go boom today, so including the crypto market. Anyway, traders, let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, before I do get started, if you'd like to learn my actual trading system that I use to trade the markets, first thing in the description there guys, I've actually put together a training for you where I'm going to walk you through exactly what my system is, exactly how I find the trades, and also in that training guys, I talked to you about more about how I actually came back from losing $250,000 to then the main things I had to do to actually start getting ahead in the markets here from. So anyway, let's start off here. So yesterday, actually probably for a while right now, right? For a while, I've actually talked about gold. Okay, I've been talking about gold and I've been saying, guys, gold's getting ready, gold's getting ready. And the really big thing that I'm noticing when it comes down to these gold markets, right? And if you watched my video yesterday, it was like, here we go, right? Here we go. And this is always the hardest part about trading. Okay, so trading, people want to be trading all the times. And I always find that my personal trading, which I only do half an hour per day, that's all I trade every day, guys. I trade half an hour per day. That's all I have to do. But the big thing about trading, guys, is what? The big thing about trading is about having a bit of a sniper approach for me. I personally don't like to be trading a lot, but I like to be trading, well, sometimes actually I do trade a lot, but I also like to be using like a sniper approach, okay? And so if we have a look at the GLD price, look at the volume that's coming in with this GLD price, okay? So we had this real nice, good look, low, and high, low in this sideways movement, but look at this really big, look at this volume that's coming in here, right? Really big moves coming out of the GLD price. And the big thing here is that, look at this here. If I bring up the weekly chart, this is the weekly chart for gold. Look what's happening with gold right now. We're finally starting to really break up and break out above these highs. And this is where it is on like Donkey Kong. And for those who've been watching me, and for those who've been getting ready for this sort of stuff, then you would be very, very happy today what's been happening here, right? Because for me personally, I am in this right myself. Yeah, so that's all I'll give there, guys. And so I truly believe now, looking at this level through here, I truly believe gold is getting, this is the start of the next big move. Like, here we go, especially by looking at this weekly charts, and you see now we're just starting to get back above this level through here. Look at this, guys, look at this. Now the last time, check this out, this guy gets pretty cool, right? The last time we did nothing for all this time and then we broke out, guess what ended up happening? We went for a pretty big move, right? So check this out. I go back over here. What am I talking about? Now, it wasn't as long, but look at this here. Look at this. Look at all of this time through here. All of this time through here. Right? All this time through here. And look what happened. When we finally got the breakout, look at the move ensued. Right? What is that move? That is called a 45% gain in 1 year. People say 1 year. Oh, crypto market did that in 1 month. What are you talking about? I know some of you crypto bugs. It's like Bitcoin. Okay. So, and the big thing is, guys, is that if you're not part of the markets right now, trying to jump on something that's already made a big move is a very, 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 very risky strategy. It's actually a dumb move, by the way. If you trade in the markets, if you invest in the markets and whatever, okay? Still, even if you're investing in the markets, right, you wait for things to drop and then you wait for things to go, okay? So, and that's where, like, guys, we're just breaking out now. Now, if we have a look at this here from an actual target, let me actually bring up the gold price. That was the GLD. I bring up the GLD here because I wanted to share with you the volume here. Look at this, the volume coming in here. Lots and lots of volume. This is the slingshot move, guys. This is the slingshot move. Here we go. Okay, so bing, 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 bang, bang, bang. So that's, and again, I even talked about this yesterday. I did YouTube videos on it. So, and then we have a look at gold. So people are saying to me, it's like, John, where do you think gold's going to go to? And for me, it's all about having what I call a channel projected target. So let's actually, let me bring up the weekly chart here. Okay, and I'm going to bring up that resistance point through there. So I'm going to use that point through there. And I'm going to use this channel through here. Look at that. Look at that there. Talk about a false breakout through here and a slingshot move to the upside. Ha ha. Love it. So we have that through there. So 1,000. So if I'm looking at that through there and I draw a trend line from the high down to the low, down to here. Okay. And now we have a big move to the upside through there. We can see we get roughly around that level through there, right? Which is that level through. But if we move it to the high point, this ultimate high point up here, okay, that's the ultimate high point of that channel. I'm just looking at the extremes, which is pretty sure that's how I got the number through there, right? And that point through there, as you can see, right? So that's what we can see through there. And now we've got 2,500. So this is where I ultimately see gold going to. And I believe we're getting ready for a really, 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 really big move out of gold. And I think gold is on its way now to having some serious price action in these markets here. And this is the big thing about trading, right? It's like gold is a sleeping giant. No one's talking about gold. What is everyone talking about? The AI stocks. Look at the AI stocks. The AI stocks. And put it this way, traders. If you are trading something that you weren't focusing on initially, and then it makes big moves, and now everyone's talking about it, now you focus on it, too late. You're too late. Too late. Everyone's talking about it. When everyone's talking about it, everyone knows about it, too late, right? It gone. She gone. So you know, but the thing is on the flip side, most people are what? Most people are not talking about gold. Like gold. Oh, gold is hopeless. Gold hasn't been doing anything. Nothing. Gold, hopeless. Right? Guess what I'm doing? Guys, look at gold, look at right? Look at gold. Gold's coming, guys. Right? So that's the gold there. What is another market that is like most people just like, oh man, why are you touching that for? That's not doing anything. The good old Russell. Oh wait, man, why are you getting into Russell for? Russell's a dead dog. Russell hasn't done anything for a long time. Oh really? Oh, okay, now I'm getting excited. Now, because it hasn't done nothing for a long time, that's what people think, right? People think it's like, oh, it's done nothing. Why are you getting into something that's not moving, right? And what do? Oh, I'm going to go buy Bitcoin because it's gone up 1,000% in the last 2 days. So that sounds like a smart idea. Let's actually buy it after it's all gone up. No, smack, right? Smack hand. And so for me, guys, for the smart money is all about looking at the markets. And to me, I truly believe it's all about getting in the markets that haven't made big moves, right? You want to get in before booms come. Now, when do booms come? Booms come when it hasn't been doing anything, right? Because that's why it's called a boom. If you look at any market out there, if you look at the crypto market, right? Look what happened with the crypto market through here. Look what happened. Crypto market did, look at this here. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Look at all that. That's months there, by the way, guys. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. And then look what's happened. Right? So when the market does nothing for a long time, that's when you should be getting excited. Now, looking at the market today, this is a weekly chart here. Oh, John, I need to be buying Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Me? No. Gold. Here we go, gold. Now, by the way, guys, here's the big thing here. I am a trader of these markets, okay? I trade these markets. So I'm not a diehard Bitcoin fan. I'm not a Bitcoin fan at all. I know there's much smarter people out there saying Bitcoin is because of X, Y, Z. And I'm like, well, I don't understand X, Y, Z. So I'm just going to go stick to what I know. Okay. So the purpose of what I'm saying here, guys, is that people are in love with a market. Oh, I love Bitcoin. Like, I really like making money. So if that's gold, where I can see a good opportunity to trade the markets, based off my system. Again, you understand why I got into gold, not because I think it's going to go up, because it actually met my rules, right? Then you'll be able to see, again, that first thing in the description there, guys. You can go get access to that. But here's the thing, okay? Here's the thing. When we, for me personally, guys, I am not a lover of the markets, right? I trade all markets. I'm looking at cryptos. I'm looking at the mining sector. I'm looking at gold. I'm looking at silver. I'm looking at, I'm scanning, I'm scanning thousands of stocks every single day with my scans to find opportunities of trades I'm in, right? Like, for example, one trade I took, which was car, right? This was actually a bearish trade that I took. I actually traded this one through here. Made a really nice return on my options on this one here. Really, 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 really nice return on my options, right? So the purpose of me saying this, guys, is that I'm not like, oh, I'm a this fan, I'm a that fan, I'm a this fan. Like, no, I'm a fan of making money. And so, like, I'm always looking for opportunities in these markets, and things like the Russell, as an example, and looking at gold. It's because, guys, these things haven't made big moves. So therefore, if I'm getting in and it does start to make a big move, I'm getting in early. Makes sense? And then as the move comes, like for example with gold, once we start to see gold go to what here, and we start to see that 2,500 level, guess what? Now guess what's going to happen? Everyone's going to start to be talking about it. Now it's too late, right? When's the best time to getting into gold? Oh, right now. Right? Ooh, before it makes the big move, right? And then guess what? Then people, and so therefore, guys, as I said before, like, I like making money. So therefore, I'm looking for opportunities all over the place. If that's in the financial sector, if that's in the banks, like, guys, I'm not an investor. Now, actually, caveat on that, I do have an investing portfolio. I do have long-term buy and hold portfolio. But guys, for me, for actually making money, right? Making money today, making money this year, when it comes to my trading, which means I'm getting in and getting out and doing that sort of stuff, guess what? I'm just looking for opportunities out there. I'm not a lover of any market, all right? And the reason I'm saying that is because I think so many people are just like, oh, gold is a dead dog. No, well, for me, it's not. For me, it's not, right? Gold is good. In fact, gold is actually held pretty strong. I would rather be in gold with this volatility over the last couple of years than looking at Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin done? Wow. It's like, yeah, I'm the man. Oh, no, I'm king shit. Oh, no, I'm the man. It's like, gold just like, breaks out, kick, and then goes for another move, right? So that's what I'm saying here, guys. Is like, I don't want you to be focusing on any market. Focus on a good trading setup. And if that trading setup appears in gold, or appears in JP Morgan, or appears in Goldman Sachs, or appears in Barrick Gold, a mining stock, or appears actually on the gold market, or appears in any market out there. For me personally, guess what, guys? Guess what? I like making money. And so for me, it's all about having a trading setup that I follow, and I don't care what market that is. It could be foreign exchange market. It could be the crypto market. It doesn't matter. It could be an individual stock, like for example, car. It does not matter. When it starts to meet my rules, guess what? I'm now looking to trade that. I'm looking to trade that because that's what trading is all about, right? Investing is buy and hold for a long term. Trading is all about having good trading setups. Or for me, it's just really one trading setup, and trading that every single day.